Hi guys, if you have been following this channel, I just wanted to give you an update. So, as you have seen, I haven't been posting that much lately. And the reason why I haven't been posting that much is because I've just been busy with gigging and teaching. But I'm coming back and I'm planning to release more content over the next year. Please also let me know what kind of stuff you would like to see. Can be like me teaching something or a cover, whatever you like. Just let me know and leave a comment. Thank you, and I will see you soon. Also, Merry Christmas.